Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and we're very excited today to show you a very cool car we just got in. It's a 1957 Ford Shortbody. Very cool car. Come on up, let's take a look around. Here's a very exciting point of the car. It's a 302 hydraulic roller motor, turbocharged 5-liter motor. It's a late model 5.0 Ford motor. It has 60 millimeter turbo with only 7 pounds of boost. Stock forged pistons, 650 Holley blow-through carb that works super. This is a cool drivetrain in this vehicle. It's hooked up to a T5 5-speed manual transmission. This two-door post custom one-of-one car only has 43,000 miles on it. This is too cool. And it's hooked up to a 3.25 gear in the rear end. You can drive this car anywhere and get great gas mileage, and it only runs on 93 octane fuel. It's as quiet as a mouse, but bad to the bone, baby. Let's check out the paint and show you the interior. Check out the paint. It's a custom black paint with a beautiful silver trim. The chrome and everything's in real nice shape on here. Beautiful rims and tires. Super solid body and undercarriage and trunk pan. It has a new interior. We'll show you that in a little bit here. And it has the new Aeromotive 1000 fuel system, which is absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful teardrop hood. This is like one of a kind. You don't see these around. Don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. And if you're overseas, we will hold your hand all the way through the process. Check out this trunk, Aubrey. It's totally solid. Looks to be original floor pans in the trunk. Like I said, the car only has 43,000 miles on it. It does have a fuel tank in the trunk. We do have the original fuel tank that will go with the car as well, and a new sending unit. Totally solid car. As you can hear the trunk shutting. Nice solid metal. Don't forget, if you enjoy watching our videos, go to youtube.com/Vanguard Motor Sales and you can become a subscriber so you can see our inventory before we even offer it to the public. And on twitter.com/Vanguard Motors, facebook.com/Vanguard Auto Sales. All these links can also be found at our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And undercarriage pictures can be found on our website. And while you're there at the website at Vanguard Motor Sales, do yourself a favor and download the 7 Deadliest Mistakes to Buying a Classic Car online. And also you can find that at classiccarbuyingsecrets.com. Don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. We will hold your hand through the whole process. Check out this beautiful door lips, all original 43,000 mile car. Look at this interior. It is just stand up. It is sick. It's so pretty. Black and silver, absolutely phenomenal. It has the little cutout there for your 5-speed manual transmission. This car is sure a true gem. headliner, everything's redone inside. And they did one hell of a job. Talk about having a fast and fun, comfortable car. Here it is. What more do you want than a 5.0 with a 5-speed transmission? It don't get better than that. And seatbelts at that. Don't waste time. This car is going to go quick. We're available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. No disappointments in this bad boy. Don't forget, all our links can be found at our website at www.vanguardmotorsales.com. And also, starting in January, we're going to have free giveaways. So make sure you sign up for our newsletter. Let's see how this bad actor sounds. You guys ready? Thank you for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. We're sorry, but due to inclement weather, we can't take it on a test drive. Take care and stay tuned for the next pass.